you guys, I'm at school and I only have 2 minutes left on my lunch break and then I'm gonna go back to work. And so I wanna show you something really fast. I'm not at home, so I don't have a tripod. So let's see. Okay, let's prop it up against my water bottle. Okay, let's see, does that work? Penelope is in the pit. Oh, I didn't mean to share her name. Oh my goodness. Guess what? We had a conversation and the name Penelope is very special to me and she wants to be Penelope. So she's Pegasus. Penelope presents, and the first person she's gonna be is, I'm not gonna tell you, but let me show you. Sorry, oh, I need to hurry, huh? Because it's, okay, this is a hint. What do you think this is? I see some goggles and like a fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Do you know that rhyme? It's kind of fun. Okay, so that's just a hint for what she's gonna be first. Okay, so I'll come over here so you can see both of us, just so that you can see what I'm doing too. So Penelope is having a hearing test or a hearing screening. And oh, I'm trying to hurry because I can't be late for, obviously. Okay, we have 4 minutes. Okay, perfect. Okay, so Penelope, she's wearing these headphones and sometimes they can feel kind of tight. But guess what? It's just because they're hugging your head and it can't, like the sound needs to get right into your ear. I fail every hearing test I've ever had. So if you put these on and you can't hear all the tones, it's totally okay because you might still be so totally awesome like me. Okay, so if you put the headphones on, we're gonna put them on Penelope because she has been missing some of what I've been saying, just like I do. And so I'm just gonna be sure that she's hearing things okay. So the blue goes on the left, the red goes on the right. Okay, so Penelope, when I push a button, you're gonna hear a little sound and I just want you to show me, like with your little snout, that you hear it and then stop doing your snout and then tell me and then wiggle it if you hear it. Okay, okay. She's done this before. Oh, okay. Hold on. I need to plug it in.